Which of the following functions has y equal to 7 as its horizontal asymptote? So if you remember, for functions that have a polynomial on top and polynomial in the denominator, in the numerator and denominator, the rational functions, we had a rule. If the degree of numerator bigger than degree of denominator, as x goes to plus or minus infinity, the numerator is going to be heavier, it's going to be growing faster, and therefore f of x or y goes to plus or minus infinity. If the degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator, as x goes to plus or minus infinity, y is, again, the numerator is growing, but the denominator is growing really faster. So this causes the entire thing goes to 0. When the degree of numerator is equal to degree of denominator, as x goes to positive or minus infinity, then y goes to the ratio of a leading coefficient of numerator over leading coefficient of denominator. So looking at that, I see that I don't have y goes to plus minus infinity. I don't have y equal to 0. I have y equal to 7. That looks like a ratio to me. So first I have to find the So first thing first, I have to figure out which one of these rational functions have the same degree of the numerator and denominator. Here, degree of numerator is 1, degree of denominator is 1, this one is 1, that one is not 1, because degree of numerator is 1, denominator is 2. Here, degree of numerator is 2, degree of denominator is 3, not 1. But the last one is, and you have to notice a little bit more, if you expand x minus 2 to power 2, degree of numerator is 2 and degree of denominator is 2. So these two are the ones have, the denominator and numerator have the same degrees. Now, let's notice what's the ratio of the, and over here, the ratio of the highest degree or the leading coefficient is going to be, if I expand that, I get x squared minus 4x plus 4. That therefore it's 7x squared minus 28x plus 28. And therefore the ratio of numerator is 7, denominator is obviously, the coefficient of, leading coefficient of numerator is 7, leading coefficient of the denominator is 1, therefore it's y equal to 7 over 1 is the horizontal asymptote. And that is the answer.